I picked him up and he just said hi. It was a victimless crime. He said, I'm never going back, but I bet he will, and I wonder why. He was such a good guy, but now he's got it all wrong. The days down in the tap room, blinking in the body light, the bridge is hanging, river mist and birthright. Who could have thought this would make such a right, such a wrong? Hell, I've got places to go, he said. He's burning rubber, there's mud in your eye. Making your plans for 30 years of a half-life just passes you by. We were just pale birds, we had nothing to pack. Days down in the map room, we're worrying about the same things. Just leave the mess to cabbages and kings. I'm gonna get on that train and I ain't coming back. I'm going fishing where the catfish bite. I'm going fishing, stay all night. I'm going fishing and I ain't coming back. Did you ever give yourself a muscular past, standing in some other shoes, when everybody thinks that you've been living in an airport London to old Kathmandu? We were just pale birds, we had nothing to pack. Days down in the tap room, blinking in the body light, the bridges hanging, river mist and birthright. I'm gonna get on that train and I ain't coming back. I'm going fishing where the catfish bite. I'm going fishing, stay all night. I'm going fishing and I ain't coming back. Yeah, I'm going fishing where the crawfish bite. I'm going fishing, stay all night. I'm going fishing and I ain't coming back. What is right or wrong? Sometimes I